Ready to unlock a smarter, simpler way to manage your money right from your pocket? Let's get your N26 mobile banking app set up in just a few minutes. First, head over to your phone's app store whether you're on iOS or Android. Search for N26. You'll see the official N26 app. Tap on install or get to begin the download. Once it's downloaded, tap to open. Welcome aboard. You'll see a welcome screen. Tap continue or get started to begin the account setup process. Since we're setting up a new account, select open a new account. You'll be guided through a few quick steps to verify your identity. This involves entering your personal details like your email address, name, and date of birth. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the necessary information accurately. Next, you'll need to verify your identity. This usually involves taking pictures of your ID and a short video selfie to ensure your account is secure. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and have your identification document ready. Now, create a strong password for your account and set up your security questions. These are crucial for keeping your finances safe. And just like that, your N26 mobile banking app is ready to go. You'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see your account balance and recent transactions in real time. Explore features like built-in budgeting tools to track your spending and easily make instant transfers, even internationally. Congratulations! You're now a part of the N26 digital banking experience. Enjoy seamless money management wherever you are.